Hey there, gentlemen. Are you tired of always being the one to chase after women? Well, get ready to flip the script, because today, we're unveiling powerful techniques that will make girls pursue you. That's right, by mastering these techniques, you'll have women chasing after you like never before. So, if you're ready to turn the tables and become the one who's pursued, then keep watching because this video is about to change your dating game forever. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, your go-to source for all things dating and attraction. Today, we're diving deep into the world of female psychology to uncover the secrets behind making girls chase you. From subtle techniques to bold moves, we'll cover everything you need to know to become the ultimate magnet for female attention. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make girls chase you. Segment 1. The Power of Competence. The first technique that will make girls chase you is confidence. Confidence is incredibly attractive to women because it signals strength, self-assurance, and assertiveness. When you exude confidence, you become irresistible to women, and they can't help but want to be around you. So, work on building your confidence through positive affirmations, visualization techniques, and stepping out of your comfort zone. Segment 2. Play hard to get. Playing hard to get is another effective technique for making girls chase you. By maintaining an air of mystery and unpredictability, you'll keep her intrigued and eager to pursue you. Don't always be readily available. Instead, create some distance and make her work for your attention. This will pique her curiosity and make her desire you even more. Segment 3. Flirtatious teasing. Flirtatious teasing is a fun and playful way to make girls chase you. Playfully tease her about something she said or did, but always do it with a smile and in good humor. Teasing creates tension and sparks attraction, making her want to engage with you more and win your approval. Just be sure to keep it lighthearted and avoid crossing any boundaries. Segment 4. Be unpredictable. Being unpredictable is key to keeping her on her toes and making her chase you. Surprise her with spontaneous plans or gestures, and keep her guessing about your next move. When you're unpredictable, she'll constantly be thinking about you and eager to see what you'll do next. This element of excitement and unpredictability will make her want to pursue you. Segment 5. Focus on your passions. One of the most attractive qualities a man can have is passion. When you're passionate about something, whether it's your career, hobbies, or interests, you become incredibly attractive to women. So, focus on pursuing your passions and living a fulfilling life. When she sees how passionate and driven you are, she'll naturally be drawn to you and want to chase after you. Segment 6. Maintain your independence. Independence is another magnet for female attention. Show her that you have a life outside of your relationship or interactions with her. Maintain your own interests, friendships, and hobbies, and don't be afraid to spend time apart. When she sees that you're independent and self-sufficient, she'll be more motivated to pursue you and be a part of your life. Segment 7. Create intrigue. Creating intrigue is essential for making girls chase you. Leave her wanting more by revealing just enough about yourself to keep her interested, but not everything all at once. Be mysterious, enigmatic, and captivating. Make her feel like there's always more to discover about you. This sense of mystery and intrigue will drive her to chase after you. Segment 8. Be unapologetically yourself. Above all, be unapologetically yourself. Authenticity is incredibly attractive, and when you're genuine and true to who you are, women will be naturally drawn to you. Don't try to be someone you're not in order to impress her. Instead, embrace your quirks, flaws, and unique qualities. When she sees the real you, she'll be captivated and eager to chase after the authentic connection you share. And there you have it, powerful techniques that will make girls chase you. By mastering the art of confidence, playing hard to get, and creating intrigue, you'll become irresistible to women and have them pursuing you like never before. So, go ahead and put these techniques into practice. And watch as women start chasing after you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy chasing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable dating advice. Have you tried any of these techniques in your own dating life? We'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And remember, with the right techniques, you can make any girl chase after you. See you in the next video.